with Montes. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Polk County in central Iowa, northwestern Marion County in south-central Iowa, southwestern Jasper County in central Iowa, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles north of Runnels, or 5 miles east of Pleasant Hill, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Altoona, Pleasant Hill, Mitchellville, Prairie City, Runnels, Swan, and Prairie City Crone Airport. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 144 and 150. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Jasper, Marion, and Polk. This is